Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't filmed a video in such a long time, but I wanted to come back with my vanity and how I've organized things because this quarantine has me looking for stuff and trying to figure out how to better organize my room, my closet, stuff like that. And I've had this vanity since 2013, so it's been a long time coming. I tried different methods of trying to organize it, and I was just never happy with it. I'll show you guys what I use, what I purchased. I'll link everything down below, but I feel like this is the best way of organizing it for me right now. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with how I came out. I got rid of so much stuff that I needed to a long time ago. All right, so let's get on to it. All right, you guys, welcome to my vanity. I'm gonna put my coffee down. So let's start off with my mirror. Freaking love it. Honestly, it's huge, but if you guys have like the huge this is like the basic like YouTuber vanity, but I have like the biggest table for it. This mirror is perfect for it. So this is, I think, the XL, but it's by Impressions Vanity. I did get the gold color, so it's like a thin border, so you can't really like see it that much, but I love this stand. I think it's so cute. I wanted to get the white one originally, but I feel like white would just be too much, so I really like gold, so I chose this one and I'm very happy with it. And then with this one I did choose the LED lights just because they don't get hot. They're a little bit pricier than the regular light bulbs, but you guys, it's totally worth it. I would, if you guys were to get any of the Impressions Vanity mirror, get the LED lights. Yeah, and then the mirror comes with the on and off switch, and then it has a dimmer, and these lights get super bright, you guys, super bright. I do like to have it kind of low though. And they do also have the plugs on the side, and then 2 USB ports, which is pretty freaking awesome, so I can have like my hair tools plugged into there and then like charge my phone at the same time, so that's really cool. And here I just have like my favorite perfumes, and then a little Eiffel Tower that my mom got me when she was in Paris. I have my JBL there. My brushes are disgusting, guys, do not mind that. I put them in sand. I totally forgot where I got this big ass container. I think I got it at Home Goods or something. But yeah, it's freaking heavy, but it fits like all like my like go-to brushes. And then I keep my other ones in a different place. My jade roller, and then my camera lens, camera battery. And then I love this mirror. This one's from IKEA. I just love how big it is. Like it's just everything to me. So like I said, it's from IKEA. It was only $19.99. It's literally like one of my favorite purchases from IKEA. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And then my new favorite thing is this like Carousel like makeup organizer. I got it off of Amazon. I had seen it before, but it was like hella pricey. I think it was like 60 bucks originally, if I'm not mistaken. It was like up there. So I went back on because, you know, this quarantine has everyone like online shopping, and my biggest thing was like, now that I have all this time, I need to find ways to organize my vanity. So I came back to this guy, and they're not as expensive as I remembered, so I was like, hell yeah, I'm gonna get it. And you guys, it fits so much stuff because I'm the type of person that needs my go-to products on my vanity, and that was like my biggest problem because my vanity would get cluttered. Now I can just grab things and put them right back, and it saves so much room on my vanity. Love it. You guys need this. All right, I'm going to show you guys how I kind of use the dividers in my drawers and how I cut them down to size. So this is my foundation drawer. I did get the dividers off of Amazon. I believe it was a 40 or 50 pack. Dividers, I found that cutting off 2.5 pieces off the side was the best way for it to fit in my vanity drawers. Personally, it could be different for everyone's, but for the Alex drawers, this is what's gonna work best. And it was a bitch to cut them, guys. I'm not gonna lie, my thumbs were sore for days. But I went ahead and put it on the back side just so it could kind of have a stopper. I hated when things would slide to the back of my drawers.
So yeah, this is my foundation and concealer drawer. And then for the second one, I wanted to go ahead and use this for powders, bronzers, blushes, and stuff like that. So I just go ahead and measure. I went ahead and counted to see how far apart I wanted them. And then the real test is actually putting in the products and seeing if I liked how the sizes were. It didn't fit some of my bronzers, so I went ahead and adjusted that. And then I did have to hot glue the borders just so it could stay sturdy and not slide around in the drawer. I did have to do this for all of the drawers, you guys, just so nothing moves around. It was hard just because you have to do it really fast so the glue doesn't dry when you try to place it. But yeah, I think that was the biggest struggle when doing all of this. And then for this other drawer, I did highlighters and like a face palette. And I did them differently just so they're facing me while I'm sitting down at my vanity, if you know what I mean. And I just did so many different things to it. You can definitely customize it to how you want it, but this is how I did it.
Okay guys, so you guys didn't see me doing the rest of my drawers just because I got totally into it and I totally forgot I was filming a video for it. But the cool thing about these is that you can cut them down to like any size and just do anything you want with them. So for this drawer, it's the first one on the right side of my vanity. I have Q-tips here, cotton rounds, and like little tools I need, like little face razors, scissors, tweezers, stuff like that in there. And then here I just have skincare. This is just like all a bunch of minis that I have that I want to use up, all really good products that I just want to use them up. So I have them here. And then I have my beauty blenders and like little like double-sided brushes in there, like the ones that come from the Anastasia palettes are actually really good, so I just throw them in there. And then I have like little roller balls, like perfumes, hand cream, stuff like that. And then in this one, this is all like eye stuff. So this one was kind of hard to do because I really wanted to make like a lot of different sections in this one. But you see it kind of goes crooked. Here, let me open it a little bit more. It kind of goes crooked, but I'm completely okay with that. It's just I didn't measure them out like all the way because I was getting really impatient. I just wanted to get it done. But here I have brow stuff, mascara, eyeliners, glitters, eye primers, single shadows, and pigments. Then I have like mini palettes back there. So yeah, I really like how this turned out. So the thing with the drawers, they do go a lot deeper down, but I put a border on almost all of them because I hated when my stuff would slide to the back because I would forget about so many products because they would just slide all the way to the back. It's really annoying. But yeah, solved that problem. And then for this drawer, this one's a little chuek too. But this one's gonna be my palette drawer. Right now I only have like my smaller palettes and palettes I don't use as often in here. And then I have like my Z palettes and like empty magnetic palettes back here, just in case I need them one day. But yeah, all my main palettes are somewhere else now that are being displayed, so they're easier to access. So that's this drawer. Then I have this drawer for like my extra cotton rounds. I have the extra light bulbs for my vanity, some deodorant, body lotion, stuff like that. And then this last drawer, just like a miscellaneous drawer, literally just a bunch of random shit in here. Okay, now for the other side of my vanity, I have my foundation drawer. So again, like I said, I did put the borders back here just so they don't slide all the way back. Honestly, I forgot about so many products because they would slide all the way to the back. But yeah, I have my foundations here, concealers, correctors, have some primers back there. You guys should have seen how much makeup I had to throw away. It was so sad, but makeup expires, guys, so be sure to be checking on that. I have here, this is my powders drawer. I'm like so proud of this one because there was just like no good way for me to organize my stuff, and I liked how this turned out. So I have my powders here, my bronzers here, blushes, and then like little like mini stuff. So I have like mini blushes, mini bronzers, mini powders, and stuff like that. And then this drawer is my highlighter drawer. I have liquid highlighters and the powder highlighters, and then like highlighter face palettes, those. And then this one is my little lipstick drawer. I didn't know how I wanted to do this one, but I forgot that I had like little lipstick holders that I bought back in the day, and so I just threw some in there. I also threw away like over 40 lipsticks. It was sad, but it needed to be done. And then my last drawer is all makeup bags because I have so many freaking makeup bags that I needed a drawer on its own. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I have noticed that a lot of you guys have still subscribed to me even though I haven't uploaded in months. And I know it's because of the video I made on this mirror right here. I've gotten so many questions on it in that video, but I think I might remake that video again just because the light set I bought didn't have a dimmer or like the little like switch or anything like that. I just bought like the most basic LED lights. I think I'll be redoing that video soon so you guys can see like if I like the new strips better or just stick with these strips. But yeah, I still really like the mirror overall. It's really bright and it's still stuck on there. I feel like a lot of people, I think a couple of people have asked me if it's still good and all this stuff, but yeah, over here, and it's still good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye, guys.